Yeah. Then you hold it. That's the whole essence of it. So that when you start to wind the bobbin, then you place it and you push it to the stopper.
But you're still holding.
You're holding on to this.
Yeah.
So, where's the pedal? So when you want to wind the bobbin, you pull out because you don't want. Remember, we're talking about safety. You don't want the needle to be moving while you're doing that. So you pull out the balance wheel.
Okay.
So now, say it's winding, then I don't need this again. I'll just cut it off. So make sure you keep an eye on it. If you do it that way, it will remain inside the cylinder.
Yeah.
Okay? So when it's full, the stopper will stop it. It will stop winding once it's full. You want it to be the same direction. Then you pass this thread through this slit on the. Then yes, click. Don't hold the lifter. You lift it like this.
Yeah.
And there's this needs to hook into a race here. Then you put it in. Sometimes you hear click, sometimes you don't. Screw number 1, number 2. Then get this. But make sure the thread is in. It's there.
Yeah.
Then go down, number 4. So this here, you put it behind this. Yeah. Then now pass this through the eye of the needle. Say I'm doing all this without switching on the sewing machine for safety reasons. So if you think you need additional or extra lighting, get your a lamp. So most of the time you see, well, a sewing room is very, very, very bright.
Wow.
Right, so you always thread that needle
From away from you.
away from you to the back.
To the back. Then once you've done that, you put it through this slit and you want it to go to the back. So leave between 6 and
Where
7
to put it through
inches.
Through that little
This slit.
sleeve. Yeah. Okay.
To this one. So you pull it out. So you've got the 2 threads.
And do they both go through that gate on the
Yeah.
top there?
Yes. So one is coming from underneath,
Yeah.
and the second one is from the upper part. Right, you hold on to it. So see, it's going to pick it. So this thread is picking the one.
Ah, okay, I can understand now. Yeah.
Okay, it's picked it. Let's come up. Okay. So that's you ready to
Thank
stitch.
you. Yeah, it makes sense.
Okay, this way. Your selector will be on A. Okay. And you see that, yeah, it will be on A. Then you would put the presser foot down, put the needle down. So you use this wheel to kind of position your needle.
Yeah.
So put the needle down, few stitches. So this is your stitch length. You know, somebody was asking me the length. So see the broken lines. So this is meant to be the stitch length. No, that's not. That's smaller than yeah what we're gonna use. So once you start to stitch, you go backward. 3, 4 stitches. Stop. Then
You always do that to start with then?
yes, and when you
Right,
finish,
okay.
if you're actually stitching, I mean making some stitching, if you're doing some seams. So you just go. So when you get to the end, you go backward again and forward, just to secure your stitches. I think it's best to actually position your needle before you put the foot down. So put your needle where, because I know where to put the needle. So put your foot down. Then go backward. Go backward and forward. Now you're going to do continuous stitching.
you get to the very end.
Yes. So you want the corner. When you get to the corner and you leave the presser foot, it's on the fabric.
And you're twisting it on the needle, are you?
Yeah.
You
So
don't
because
lift the
it's
needle.
no, the needle has to be in
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
because you need that point.
So it's just the foot that.
Yeah, it's the foot. I've gone past now. Just gonna leave it
Oh, it's
because I
easy,
didn't
isn't
use
it?